Welcome back to my channel Auto Show. Today we are talking about a legendary machine, a motorcycle that has ruled the streets and drag strips for over a decade, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14R. Known as the King of Speed, this bike is built for one purpose, unleashing raw power. Let's get started. Design and road presence. The Kawasaki ZX-14R carries a bold and aggressive design. It's long, wide, and beautifully muscular. The dual projector headlights with aerodynamic fairing give it a dominating look on the road. The wide fuel tank and sharp tail section provide a balanced mix of aerodynamics and style. Visually, this bike screams power, even when it's standing still. If you ride this on the streets, trust me, people will turn their heads. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Ninja ZX-14R is powered by a 1,441 cubic centimeters inline four-cylinder engine, liquid-cooled and fuel-injected. It produces around 200 horsepower with ram air intake and delivers massive torque that pulls from any gear. This bike is a rocket. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, and it can hit a top speed of around 186 miles per hour, 299 kilometers per hour, which is electronically limited. Without limits, people claim it can go even faster. The 6-speed transmission is smooth, and Kawasaki has tuned it for strong low-end torque and brutal straight-line acceleration. Whether you're launching from traffic lights or racing on a highway, the ZX-14R feels unstoppable. Riding comfort. Even though it's a hyperbike, the seating position is surprisingly comfortable. It is not fully track aggressive like the Ninja ZX-10R or Yamaha R1. Instead, it offers a slightly relaxed riding stance suitable for long-distance touring. The large seat and broader handlebar grip make it stable, and you can actually ride this bike for hours without destroying your back. Technology and features. The ZX-14R comes with Kawasaki Traction Control, KTRC, with multiple rider modes, ABS, dual throttle valves, and high-performance Brembo brakes for strong stopping power. The suspension is designed to handle high speeds with stability. Price and real value. In the USA market, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14R is no longer produced brand new after 2020, but it's still available in the used market. A clean low-mileage ZX-14R costs anywhere from $10,000 to $16,000 depending on condition and mods. Final verdict. If you want a bike that delivers insane power, legendary performance, and a beautiful street presence, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14R is still one of the best hyperbikes ever made. It is built for riders who love speed, thrill, and domination. Thanks for watching. This is Auto Show. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more motorcycle reviews. See you in the next video.